What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. So TSLY's passive income for the month of September was fantastic for me. I'm going to reveal to you the income that I received from TSLY and the dividend stocks it bought me on M1 Finance. I'll also show you my E-Trade passive income from TSLY and what I did with that. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check this passive income out right now. So right now, TSLY is down 30% since inception. Right here at its peak, it was 21.56. It was 18.25 in July. September, it's taking a little bit of a hit. So I've earned some really good passive income from TSLY. I'm not going to lie. TSLY is not going to beat Tesla stock. It is not going to beat the S&P. So I'm going to review them real quick because a lot of you guys are new to this channel. Let's check that out. So YieldMax has numerous option income strategy ETFs. They have OARK. It was 31.56%. Distribution TSLY 49.51, which I'll go over. APLY, which is 14.17% distribution rate. That was a little disappointing. NVDY 52.80% distribution rate. I own them. AMZY Amazon, that one is 26.89. Facebook or the Meta option income strategy 17.49%. GOOY, the Google option income strategy ETF 17.31%. And then Netflix NFLY option income strategy ETF or the NFLX option income strategy ETF distribution is at 29.79%. Tony, I'm looking at this one. The Microsoft option income strategy ETF is out right now, so we'll see how their yield is, as well as the Disney option income strategy ETF and Exxon Mobil option. And they just launched the JPM option income strategy ETF and AMD option income strategy ETF. So make sure you do your due diligence. I own right here TSLY and NVDY, but we're going to go over TSLY because a lot of you are new to this channel. So first, the YieldMax TSLY option income strategy ETF is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling/writing call options on TSLA. TSLY pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while retaining cap participation in the price gains of TSLA. Remember, the fund does not invest directly in TSLA. I just want to make sure that you guys are aware of that. Their primary investment objective is to seek current income. The fund's secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to the share price of the common stock of Tesla, TSLA, subject to a limit of potential investment gains. So real quick, again, the distribution rate is 49.51%. I will go over that shortly. So just to be clear, the distribution rate is the annual yield an investor would receive if the most recently declared distribution, which includes option income, remain the same going forward. The distribution rate is calculated by multiplying ETF's distribution per share by 12 and dividing the result amount by the ETF's most recent net asset value. The distribution rate represents a single distribution from the ETF and does not represent its total return. The 30-day SEC yield represents a net investment income which excludes option income earned by such ETF over the 30-day period and in 8/31/2023, expressed as an annual percentage rate based on such ETF share price at the end of the 30-day period. Remember, all YieldMax ETFs have a gross expense ratio of 0.99%. That is high, and of course, distributions are not guaranteed. So, real quick, their distribution rate. So it was 58 cents. I'm not going to complain about distribution per share being 58 cents. The month before that, it was 83 cents. And then the month before that, it was 106. So that was still nice income. So again, if I got 44 cents just from TSLY, I wouldn't be too upset. 90 cents or 99 cents would be fantastic. But I will settle for 58 cents. Now, again, these holdings, you see no Tesla stock. Now, in the future, I can guarantee there are no covered call ETFs out there that focus just on the stock and shares of a stock, but YieldMax ETFs is starting something with these option income ETFs, and I see in the future a lot of companies actually having the stock and then doing covered call options. I think that could be a strong possibility with a lot of these new companies, these innovative companies, and I think YieldMax really started a trend. You're going to see a lot of these companies or these new hybrids or companies that are similar to YieldMax evolve into a high income ETF. And that's going to be exciting because what TSLY has done amazing for my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. So we're going to go over that. So I earned a total of $375.60 on M1 Finance. I'm going to go over the number of shares shortly after I go over how much I made on E-Trade. But I want to show you how much $375 bought me with dividend stocks and REITs. So look at this distribution and allocation of the passive income I earn from TSLY. This got me fractional shares of Spirit Realty Capital, a high yield REIT, got a little bit more than half a share. Bank OZK, I got a little bit more than half a share. I got Kroger right there, about 2/10 or 1/5 of a share right there, which is not bad. Another dividend growth stock. Bought me Premier Financial Corp. It got me 5.16 shares. VICI Properties, it got me 193. Excuse me, 1.93 with VICI Properties. I had to pause real quick. And right there, this is a high yield dividend growth REIT. And then Starbucks, who just hiked their dividend, they got me almost half a share. Medifast, it got me almost half a share. And then REIT, it got me a little bit more than half a share. And then Pepsi, it got me about 1/5 of a share, a little bit more than 1/5. Financial Corp, it got me a little bit more than half a share. And CubeSmart, it got me almost 1/5 of a share. So you're seeing the passive income from TSLY buying me these dividend stocks. And this is monthly distribution. So I'm using that income to turbocharge my dividend portfolio. And it has been phenomenal. So I'm going to go over to my E-Trade dividend portfolio real quick with my passive income I earned from TSLY. So I earned a total of $111.59 on E-Trade. And what I did with that E-Trade passive income from TSLY, I allocated that into my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, buying more shares of TSLY. So I'll jump to that. So now I'm at a total of 650 shares of TSLY ETF. So that's one thing that I'm doing. And also NVDY, I have a total of 179 shares of NVDY. This one's a little bit more stable, less volatile. So that's one thing that's nice about NVDY. But at the same time, the passive income I distributed from TSLA Option Income Strategy ETF is $877.50. which was thrown into my dividend stocks and dividend growth stocks. So using TSLY's passive income to turbocharge my dividend portfolio is I throw $500 every week, every Monday, and usually my dividends do the job as well. The passive income I'm earning from my dividends to really turbocharge my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. It's really exciting. I earned over $1,300 in passive income thanks to TSLY and my dividend stocks and dividend growth stocks. So using TSLY's passive income monthly distribution strategy on M1 Finance has really enhanced my turbo charge strategy to get my dividend portfolio going. Now, the market's down a little bit. I've been going after the real estate sector and financial sector, but I really can't complain about my investments with TSLY and what it has done for my dividend portfolio. So I'm going to have a video for you tomorrow. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. What do you think about the TSLY ETF and these other YieldMax ETFs? Post in the comment section regarding your YieldMax ETF investing strategy or what it has done for your investing strategy. And let me know if you think this is a bust, a YieldMax ETF. So comment in the section below, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this YouTube channel is for entertainment purposes only. Do not take this in any form of financial advice. I own shares of TSLA Option Income Strategy ETF and NVDY ETF, as well as these stocks and REITs that I own in this video. So please do not take this in any form of financial advice. Seek investment advice from a financial advisor or somebody that is certified to give financial advice. I do not give financial advice, and I will not give financial advice. Investing involves a huge risk. You can make a lot of money, you can lose a lot of money. So make sure that you do your due diligence and your research before you make your investments. My channel is very transparent. I show you what I buy. I show you my dividend investing journey. I have gained some money. I have lost some money. If you just look at this video, there's a little bit of a loss that I've had with TSLY. So I hope you do your due diligence, and I hope you subscribe to this channel for future videos for entertainment purposes only. Take care.